Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these homemade colorful Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. To make these, we're going to start off by melting 4 different colors of candy melt. Keep in mind, if you don't have the different color candy melts, you can use white chocolate and color it, but make sure you do not use water-based food coloring. If you do, it will seize up your chocolate and it won't work. Use gel base or a powder base. So now we're going to put about 8 full graham crackers into a large plastic bag, let the air out, zip it up, and we're going to smash it into little bits. And you can just roll this like this to make it even finer bits. Now you could of course use a food processor to grind them up. That works even better. But my food processor is broke. Next, we're just going to take some cupcake liners and line a cupcake tin. In a large bowl, we're going to put in 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Then we're going to add all of our crushed graham crackers and just mix this up. All right, there we go. Now this is going to be the filling, our peanut butter filling for our Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Now coming back to our melted chocolate, we're just going to take a little bit of our chocolate and put into one of our cupcake liners. And you can kind of spread it around a little bit. You don't need much at the bottom. Now just take a little bit of your peanut butter filling that we had, and you just want to ball it up and then flatten it down until a round-like circle, like a little hockey puck. There we go. And then place it in there. Cover it up with some more of your chocolate. Perfect. And do that with the rest of them. Now you can just leave it out to dry, but I do suggest put it in the refrigerator so it dries faster so we can try it. So after about 20 minutes, pull them out of the refrigerator. They should be nice and firm. Now let's take them out of the wrapper and eat them. There you go. So we got, let's start with 1 of each color here. And you can just unwrap them just like a real Reese's. That's what it looks like. Some of them are a little thicker than others, but you do the best you can, right? Now what do you say we cut one open and see what it looks like? I'm going to cut open the green one. Look at that. See, the inside looks really nice. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to dig into our green one that we already cut open and see how it tastes. It's good. You can, of course, just do it with regular chocolate, but this is more fun. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these homemade, colorful Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. These were absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button. Check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. Now that these are melted, we're going to move on to our next. Now, keep in mind, if you don't have the different...